Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil. This is our third video on the React navigation. In the first video, we will see that how we can just move from one screen to another screen. Then we will see how we can pass the data. And in this third video, we will see that how we can just change this configuration of the header, like how we can change the color of the one screen, and how we can change the style, and how we can just change the title and all on a button click. These are the 4 points that we are going to cover in this video. So let's say how you can style a single screen header, like you just want to change the home screen style, not want to change the detail. And let's say you just want to change the header for the all screen, that how you can do it. And after that, how you can change the header on a button click. And at the last, and which is very important, this is most of the time when you need, when you just use the profile and all. So how you can just send the data from here to here, we just see in the last screen. But how we can just put the passed data from one screen to another on a header. So let's say I just pass the Anil Sidhu email address, name and address. Then how can I show this data on a header here? So now let's start with the code. So first of all, I will show you that how we can just change the style of the header screen, the home header. So let's go inside the home screen, and you can just format the style if you just want a little bit. And let's say we want to change the style of the header. Then you have to code on the navigation container, then stack navigation, and here you just define the two screens. And you have to just simply add the one more props inside the stack screen with the name of home and the component with the home screen. So let's add here options, and the options basically have an object. And here let's say first of all you just want to change the title, then you can just simply put here title, and let's say you just want to write here my home. And here you can see that how we can change it. So now let's say you just want to change the background color, then how you can do it. For that, let's add another property with the name of header style. And in the header style we have a property with the name of background color. Here we can put a background color like hash f red 00. Why this is showing the error on the header style? Let me check. Yeah, because we have to add here the colon like this. So now see, you can see that background color is changed. So let's say now you want to change the font color. For that you just need to add here header tint color. So just write here header tint color, and the property can be like, I just want to make this white, then you can add it like this. So let's say you just want to bold this header font, then you can just simply add here header I think title style. Yep. And in the title style just simply use here font weight, and in the font weight let's put here bold. Now it's a bold. And let's change the font size with 25 pixel and all. Right, so this is working fine. But now when you just go on a detail screen, you will find this is remaining the same. Like now let's say you have a situation, you just want to change the style of the all screen with the common code. Then you just need to copy this code from here to the stack navigator. But keep in mind that you have to add here screen options. Alright, so now you can see that the color and the style of the all headers has been changed. So but now you will see that one more thing, that the header name of the both screen has been same. So you can just remove it for a moment and you will get the old header name as well. Alright, so we just covered up the two things. Now let's just catch the third one, that how we can just change the style on a button click. Alright, so first of all, when in which component you want to change. So let's say I just want to change the header on a button click on the detail screen, then you must have to get here the navigation props, and now you can just take a button here like this, and let's use a on press event. The on press, let's use the simply arrow function, and here you can just put here navigation dot set options or options, I think. All right, and this is have a function, and let's take an object inside it and put here title, and in the title let's put here custom header. Now let's see. Okay, we don't have a title prop on a button, must be a string. Yep, actually we just put here, forgot to add a title also. So let's add the title, and let's put here update title. Alright, so if I'm just going to click on the go to detail screen, now I'm here, and if I'm just going to click on the update title, then you will see the custom header is set here. Fantastic. So now you just want to make the header which you passed the data from previous screen to the current screen. Let's say we just in the previous video we passed the name, email ID and the address from home screen to the detail screen, and here you can see that we got here, and these are the displayed on the screen. So how we can make in the title of this data? For that, let's just come back to the stack.screen, and here we just need to use the again the options. So just write here options, and basically when we just use the option, then that time we have to actually use the arrow function. So just make a object, and let's take like arrow function. In this arrow function, let's pass the object for the route, and here we can simply use the object like title, and title can be route dot params dot name. Right, so now you can see that we got the name here. When you just come from the home screen, we have the name here. So let's say you just want to add here email ID, then you can just change the email, and these props I already passed in the previous video, like name, email ID and address from the home screen to the detail screen. We are just watching here. So this is all about, we complete the 4 points. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.